Thanksgiving isn't just about turkey and pie. It's about slowing down, reconnecting, and maybe going somewhere new. So if you're thinking of swapping the kitchen for a road trip or a flight, here are 10 incredible places across America to spend your Thanksgiving. 10. The Outer Banks, North Carolina. If you're dreaming of a peaceful Thanksgiving away from the noise, the Outer Banks deliver exactly that. This chain of barrier islands off North Carolina's coast feels like another world in late November. The crowds are gone, the air is crisp, and sunsets paint the sky in soft pink and gold. Rent a beach house, enjoy long walks by the dunes, and cook a cozy dinner with the sound of waves outside your window. It's the perfect place to recharge, reconnect, and start the holiday season surrounded by quiet beauty. 9. Anchorage, Alaska. For those who crave adventure and something truly different, Thanksgiving in Anchorage is unforgettable. Snow blankets the city and surrounding mountains while the crisp air feels pure and untouched. You might even catch the northern lights dancing across the sky at night. Spend your days exploring local markets, visiting glaciers, or relaxing in a warm cabin by a fire. Instead of traffic and chaos, you'll find peace and wonder in Alaska's wilderness, a reminder that gratitude can be found in silence and snow. 8. Big Bend National Park, Texas. Escape the cold and discover the raw beauty of Big Bend. Nestled along the Rio Grande, this massive park offers rugged canyons, desert trails, and wide-open skies. November brings ideal weather, warm days and cool nights, perfect for hiking, stargazing, and campfire dinners. It's a place to slow down, disconnect, and feel small under the Milky Way. Whether you're exploring Santa Elena Canyon or watching the sun set over the Chisos Mountains, Thanksgiving in Big Bend feels wild, peaceful, and truly timeless. 7. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Set against the Smoky Mountains, Gatlinburg transforms into a cozy mountain village during Thanksgiving. The streets sparkle with early holiday lights, and the scent of pine and fireplaces fills the air. You can hike scenic trails, visit craft shops, or ride the skylift for incredible views of the valley. Nearby, Pigeon Forge hosts parades, light shows, and Southern-style feasts. It's the perfect blend of nature and festivity, where you can celebrate Thanksgiving surrounded by mountains, music, and warm-hearted people. 6. San Francisco, California. Thanksgiving in San Francisco brings a mix of ocean breezes, city charm, and world-class food. The weather is mild, and the city glows with autumn color. You can walk across the Golden Gate Bridge, explore the waterfront at Fisherman's Wharf, or hop on a cable car through rolling streets. Many restaurants serve creative Thanksgiving dinners, from seafood feasts to plant-based menus with a view of the bay. Whether you're watching the sunset at Baker Beach or dining near the water, San Francisco adds a fresh coastal twist to the holiday. 5. New Orleans, Louisiana. No city celebrates like New Orleans, and Thanksgiving here is all about flavor and rhythm. The Bayou Classic Parade fills the streets with color, music, and joy, while the scent of Cajun and Creole cooking drifts through the air. Forget traditional turkey. Here it's all about gumbo, oysters, and spice. You can spend the day exploring the French Quarter, then enjoy live jazz at night. The weather's warm, the people are welcoming, and every moment feels alive. Thanksgiving in New Orleans is a feast for every sense. 4. Savannah, Georgia. Savannah in November feels like stepping into a southern storybook. Spanish moss hangs from the trees. Cobblestone streets lead past historic homes, and the weather stays perfectly mild. The city is calm but still festive, with riverboat dinners, cozy inns, and charming holiday markets. You can stroll along River Street, join a Thanksgiving cruise, or simply relax in one of Savannah's leafy squares. It's elegant yet easygoing, a place where time slows down and gratitude feels natural in every corner. 3. Asheville, North Carolina. Tucked in the Blue Ridge Mountains, Asheville offers a perfect mountain Thanksgiving. The air is crisp, the forests glow with the last colors of fall, and the city buzzes with creative energy. Local restaurants and breweries craft special holiday menus, while the famous Biltmore Estate hosts stunning Thanksgiving events. You can spend your mornings hiking scenic trails and your evenings sipping cider by the fire. It's a blend of nature, art, and small town warmth that makes Thanksgiving feel both peaceful and inspiring. 2. New York City, New York. There's nothing quite like Thanksgiving in New York. The Macy's Parade brings giant balloons, marching bands, and pure holiday excitement to the streets. Ice skating in Central Park, window displays on Fifth Avenue, and the first twinkle of Christmas lights make the city feel magical. Whether you're enjoying dinner in a rooftop restaurant or walking through Times Square, the energy is contagious. It's busy, it's bright, it's unforgettable. A Thanksgiving that feels straight out of a movie. Number 1. Boston, Massachusetts. Boston combines history, beauty, and tradition like nowhere else. The cobblestone streets, colonial buildings, and crisp autumn air create the perfect Thanksgiving backdrop. The city celebrates with candlelit dinners, historic reenactments, and cozy markets full of local treats. A short drive takes you to Plymouth, where the first Thanksgiving began, adding meaning to the experience. Between the charm of Beacon Hill and the harbor views, Boston captures the true spirit of gratitude, warm, timeless, and deeply American. So there you have it. 10 incredible places to make this Thanksgiving truly unforgettable. Whether you're chasing snowy mountains, sunny beaches, or festive city streets, there's a perfect spot waiting for you. Wherever you go, take a moment to relax, enjoy the season, and make memories that last a lifetime. Happy Thanksgiving, and here's to adventures, near or far.
All World. Live like a local.